Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is bananas. We'll be making sweet plantains with black bean puree, crema and queso fresco, and salmon and lentil salad. Joining me is Dr. Jennifer Janko from St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Jose Garces.
I'm going to make my glaze. So I have a little bit of mustard. This is just whole grain mustard.
Alrighty.
And I have a little bit of rum, actually.
Ooh, getting spicy.
So, yes, a little rum, a little dark rum. This is honey. It should just kind of coat the salmon.
Really simple.
So I have some nice pieces of Atlantic salmon here. I have a little bit of olive oil. Just gonna
Nice little
sear
sizzle.
it. Yeah. So I have heavy cream, a little bit of fresh horseradish, and let it come up to a boil.
Let's talk a little bit about the bananas. What is the nutritional value of the bananas?
So bananas do have several things going for them. First of all, there's no fat, there's no cholesterol, so you're getting some nice, just healthy ingredients to start with. But what it adds is you're going to get a lot of potassium out of bananas. Bananas also have a good source of B vitamins in there, which we all need.
Yeah.
When babies first start their solid foods, around 6 months of age, bananas is one of those very first. So simply taking, like Chef was saying, just a mashed banana and feeding it to your baby instead of buying the ones in the store is perfectly easy to do.
I remember doing that. That was like the first food I gave them. Bananas.
So I've seared my salmon on one side. I flipped it over. I'm gonna add some of my glaze to this and just kind of coat that
Doesn't it
right
look
on
so
top.
lovely?
And then it's gonna go in the oven at 400 degrees for about 8 minutes or so. Let that roast nicely. I have cooked black lentils, and I have some just half cherry tomatoes, a little bit of diced red pepper, some red onions. We're gonna do a little bit of, this is just reduced balsamic.
Okay.
I have a little bit of cilantro, touch of olive oil as well. So here's our bananas. All right, Autumn, if you don't mind bringing these over to the plating area.
Let's get you some space over here.
Yeah. I have some cooked black beans here. Make a little sofrito, which is sauteed of garlic, onions, peppers, add a little cumin, and I just add that to a can of black beans, a little bit of chicken broth or vegetable broth, and you're there. I also put a little cider vinegar in here.
Ooh.
So I'm gonna puree this.
So just hit any one of these little numbers down here.
Yep, nice and slow.
Nice and slow.
Okay, we'll just let that go. Autumn, you and I we're gonna fry some plantains.
Awesome.
Okay.
Okay.
And what you're looking for is kind of a golden brown on each side. Autumn, you're gonna keep an eye on those.
Okay.
I'm gonna take a look at, check the salmon right now. For our salmon, I have my horseradish cream. Oh, those are perfect.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Yeah, we want the other side looking just like that. I have a little drain board right here.
Okay.
Just throw it on there. Here's my delicious horseradish cream. Then I have my lentil salad. These bananas live right kind of in between the lentil salad and the horseradish.
Okay.
And then this is the secret ingredient. I'll bring this over here. We have our salmon. You can see it came out
That
nice.
looks great.
I don't know about you, but I cannot wait
know,
to
that looks
taste
amazing.
that.
A little bit of the black bean puree. It's a little bit of Mexican crema or sour cream. And then we're gonna add our
Beautiful plantains.
beautiful plantains to these guys. A little bit of queso fresco.
Oh.
This is a fresh cow's milk cheese. You get a
Little bit of
little
everything in it.
yeah.
Oh my gosh, how delicious is that?
That's amazing.
I'm going ahead and trying the salmon.
Trying
I
the
know
salmon?
that tastes good. I've had that about,
Right?
about 200
You have no
times.
doubt?
All right.
Oh my gosh, Chef.
That's amazing.
Oh, good.
Never in a
Good,
million
very
years
nice.
would I put those ingredients together,
No,
but
the
it is
horseradish, with the
fantastic.
salmon, and the bananas, so good.